Hello and welcome to Board Games with Barry. I'm Barry and I just recorded all of this and messed up with my transitions left and right there and didn't record any of the screen for what I was doing. So I'm going to try and improve on 6, which is what the computer does it in today. See if it's possible to do it quicker, but I'm going to know the answer. So the answer is 523. I mean, spoiler alert, but here. So if I choose this code, so let's just say I can choose this code at random. That could entirely happen. I already know from the start, because one of these numbers has to be bigger, that there's no triples. So the first things I want to verify is whether or not, so I want to do the triples as best I can. So I want to know whether blue is the largest number. Spoiler, it is. But again, I could just get lucky doing that. I want to know whether there's any order. Spoiler, there's not. And I want to know whether there's no ones. And there's no ones. So from here, so there's no ones. Blue is the highest. There's no order, which I'm going to also assume rules out doubles. Can't say definitively. Need to read the rules. But that still doesn't help me. I need to, so no. I want to know, I'll do it again. Choose this code. Is purple even or odd? Purple is odd. So that means it has to be 3. Because there's no order, has to go high, low, high. That means yellow has to be 2. And then that leaves blue as a 4 or a 5. So I need to know whether the sum is even or odd. And the sum is even. And so that puts us here. So I think this is I think that's the optimum way of doing it. I don't think I can figure it out any quicker than that. I need something from all of them to get there. And I do need to check the rules as to whether no order counts doubles or not. Because if I know that no order is not doubles, then I can immediately rule out double numbers from the other verifiers on this level. I think also at higher difficulty levels, all of these could be untrue. Shall we have a look at the rules? Yes, we will. Right, let's see if there's anything on the verifiers. Criteria cards, yes. No, I don't want the explanations. I want to know... where's the no order? The verifier verifies that the 3 numbers are either ascending, descending, or neither. For example, 223 is not ascending because the 3 numbers do not ascend, only 2. So it can be a pair. It really should make that very clear there. It can be a pair. So no order can be a pair. Fine. That is something that I can take into future thingies. And I'm hoping this is recording as well, actually, to be honest. And then I might have a read of some of these to double check that I've been doing it correctly. Let's see if there's anything about the harder difficulty levels. Solo co-op, handicap. Because I'm sure the harder difficulty levels, none of them might be true. Whatever, I'll look into it. Anyway, just did it in 6 today anyway, after all my braggadocio. Of it being too easy. The 6 verifiers makes it harder to get sooner. I think 5 verifiers is too straightforward still. But that is today's Turing Machine. Sorry, it was a little less involved. Filming incorrectly. At least the sound's fixed today, right? It's something. But until next time, this is Barry signing off.